Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Braden Riggs. I'm a developer advocate with the Dolby I/O team. I'm here today at NAB Las Vegas 2023 to show off some of our demos that we brought to the conference. Now, one of the demos I'm really excited to show off is our Digital Twins demo. Those familiar with Dolby I/O might know that we have a number of gaming engine plugins. These gaming engine plugins allow you to stream audio and video content into a game engine with very little delay and at very high qualities. Now, we have plugins for both Unity and Unreal, and you can see this in-game right now where we're streaming in a pre-recorded conference and we're streaming in a pre-recorded concert. Now, these experiences are great for companies that are trying to have a digital twin for a live event. So if you're doing a live event, you have a band playing, you can only fit so many people into the venue. And so this allows you to have an online component that's a bit more compelling than just a static web page. So if you're interested in trying out and using some of our Dolby I/O streaming game engine plugins, head on over to Dolby I/O and go to the game engine section. There you can learn a lot more and you can get started building with this stuff for free. So go check it out and build some really cool experiences.